Good morning, guys. I know I said that I was going to do Falmouth today, weather permitting, yesterday. But as you can see by the raindrops on my screen and the clouds, it's not... Well, the sun is out, but I've just gone through a massive shower. So... I'm just going to shoot a video going into Penzance and then maybe coming out towards Helston area or Helston direction. So apologies about that, but I can't control the weather. The big guy upstairs, he does that. Looks hopefully that's it for the rain for now. Tractor. I hope everyone's been doing well. We've just passed a little village there called Cockwells. Yeah, I hope everyone's doing well. There's my sister's partner there in the veggie van. He's a farmer. Which is kind of handy because we get quite a lot of veg off him. So hopefully our little trip in and around Penzance won't be wet. It'll be nice and dry, so fingers crossed. This little village here is called Crowless. It's weird. Well, I used to live here, obviously. It's called Crowless, and further up on the right, that road up there, that's called Ludgvan. There's another little village kind of joined on. It's not all Crowless, it's Crowless then Ludgvan. I'll tell the truth, I've recently had to scrap a previous video that I was going to upload, but I was coming through Hale and the traffic was just biblical. Again, it seems to be a summertime thing where they're digging up the roads, and the tailback, I was in the tailback for 20 minutes and that's just not good viewing, so I scrapped the video. And you're joining me now going into Penzance, having a little look around, seeing what's what, and then maybe carry on along the Helston Road. So yeah, we will do Falmouth, but I want to do it when it's blue skies. I know it's blue skies now, but it's fluffy white clouds all over the place as well. I was watching the news this morning and hearing about those poor people in that sub. Awful. I mean, I can't swim. I swim as well as that bus. I really do. And she shouldn't be really walking on the road like that. But yeah, I swim as well as a bus. But I wouldn't go down 2 miles down. I know it's the Titanic, cool and all, but no, I would not do that. You might get me on a military submarine, but not a little. Nah. I think they've got around 20 hours of air left, but I really hope a miracle happens, because that's what they're going to need. Anyway, enough about that. I don't want to bring people down. I'm going to be doing meatball subs later. They're going to be nice. Bit of cheese, bit of marinara sauce. Nice. Excuse me, allergy cough. Let's see what's going on and around down Penzance. I was thinking of maybe going back out on the Lizard, but it didn't really seem to do that well last time, did it? I mean, I checked recently and it's still like 40, 50 views, which isn't really good. I don't know, maybe we'll see. I'll try again another day. Maybe I just hit the wrong type of demographic on that day. God, demographic. Hear me. YouTube! Demographic. Young lad behind me revving his little 50cc engine on his moped. I mean, when I was younger, I never really bothered with that. I went to a 90cc bike, and then just straight to a car. I'd get bikes. I understand it. They look like great fun, but I don't know. You're so vulnerable, aren't you? You know, the only crumple zone on a bike is your face. Right, now what I think I'll do is I'll go up round the back and come down around the front. I don't know why, that sounded really wrong. I say that MX-5 has no rear window to it. What do you call them in America? It's a Miata. Penzance is beginning to look a little bit trafficky, so maybe if I could do this, film a little bit and then get out before it all goes a bit silly, because it is the silly season. Sounds nice. And you're in the wrong lane. actually 23 degrees. It doesn't feel like it. I know, it feels like more like 18 or 19, but 23. That's what my onboard sensor says. Ooh, Triumph TR4? I don't know, somebody put me right on that. It's always the way, isn't it? It is always the way. You announce, or you say, that you're going to go and do something in a specific time and place, and you don't do it because weather permitting at the time. And so you go somewhere else, and then the sun comes out. It's always the way. It's like the universe conspires to make you out a liar. Anyway, we can always go there another day. Plenty more sunny days to go yet. Hopefully. Beginning to wonder how trafficky Newlyn will be. And I've got to pop into my local insurance offices on Monday. I don't know if I've told you recently, anyone new that's watching on this video, I have had a stone flicked up onto my windscreen and there's a nice big crack in it, so I now have to get it replaced, and that's going to be expensive, so I'm going to see if I can do it through my insurance. Luckily I do have windscreen cover, so we'll see how they can help me out. I'll probably have to pay an excess. I guess all these people here are going to Land's End. Some will probably be going to Sennen. Word of warning, if you're going to Sennen and you have a dodgy clutch, maybe wait till you've got your clutch fixed, because there's a hill there. It's the only way in or out of Sennen, and it is properly steep. So if you've got a dicky clutch, you probably won't get back up the hill, and you'll be stuck in Sennen. I know people that have done that. Oh, these roads seem to get bumpier every day. Well, the sun's staying out, so that's nice. somebody behind me in a Volkswagen pushing me to go faster, but like that, you know, that little girl walking on the side of the road there. Why do you want to go faster? I mean, if you're going faster, you don't have time to take things in. You might have hit her, so take it slowly, dude. It's a 20-mile-an-hour limit down here. Oh, my watch just caught the sun and blinded me. I couldn't think I was wearing my shades. Right, what I'm going to do is put some aircon up around the back of the phone, because the sun's getting higher and hotter. I don't want my phone to cut out. I was going to let you go then, fella. You're welcome, sir. Probably won't make the lights, but never mind. It's only two-way, we won't be here that long. It gives me time to have a drink. Oh no, here's three-way. Newlin's nice. I mean, if you can stand the smell of rotting seaweed and fish, because of the fish market, it's a nice place to live. I think I lived here for about a year. There's a lady behind me. Oh, I'm not judging at all. But she's chatting to herself. I mean, I realise that's what I'm doing, but in a sense, I'm actually chatting to you guys. Maybe she's on the phone. It is one of those new Mercedes, so maybe she's talking to somebody on the phone. Either that, or she's a complete psychopath. I don't know. But of course, guys, you can fast forward this bit if it's too exciting for you. We're next. Oh dear. Somebody just pulled out when the light should have been red at their end. I don't know, it's red still here, so it might be green down there. I don't know. I don't know why those cars are stopping. Odd. And now. It is a 20 along here. Better knock it down a notch. I mean, I sense the lady behind me wants to go faster, but you know, it only takes a police car going the other way. You know, they quickly turn around. Oh yeah, I forgot the fare's down today on the seafront. I love that. You pull out, and then after you've pulled out, you do a little indication. Better late than never, I suppose. Actually, strangely, the seafront is not very trafficy. Nice Defender. Nice. Rarely see them in white. I would stop to let this car make a turn, but I think the lady seems to be in a bit of a rush behind me. She might go right up my bottom. Looks like there's a big oil tanker out on the horizon. There's the fare, tiny little diddy one. Oh, excuse me. Yeah, very small one. Nothing like it used to be. It used to be 4 times the size of that. Car park's full up, so that means Penzance is quite busy. It looks like the tide's coming in. There's a horrible grey cloud right over there to my left. Looks like we're going to be driving that way. A lot of tourists down today. Right. Weird. Not much traffic, really. Quite a lot of people. Maybe they caught the train down. So, as I said, I'll film on a little bit longer. Head back home the Helston way. There's a lot of H's in that. Safe for you, safe for me. God, good thing I redirected the aircon towards the back of my phone. My hand is starting to burn. Now it does feel 23 degrees. I reckon, you know, with all this heat and those black clouds, we might have a thunderstorm. That would be cool to film that. I mean, a car, I don't know if anyone knows this, a car is actually one of the safest places to be. Because it's basically a Faraday cage. It's nothing to do with the rubber on the roads. I mean, if lightning can make it from the sky to the ground, actually it goes from the ground to the sky and then back down again, but 4 little patches of rubber aren't going to do anything. But it's the fact that it's a Faraday cage, which redirects current all around you and earths it out. So you're safe. Right, I'll shut the window. Off into the clouds we go. If it really starts tipping down, then I'll end the video then. I mean, I'm not far off it now, probably another 10 minutes, but when you're coming up to junctions like that van did there, you've got to be very careful for people making last minute decisions. I mean, he didn't even indicate, but tractor. But yeah, I was thinking about it. Quite a bit of traffic here. Right, so I mean, again, apologies for today. I know I was due to go out to Falmouth, but it had been raining, and then when I made my decision to come here instead, the sun came out. So yeah, apologies. That's a big truck. almost forming a tree tunnel. If they let this grow anymore, it'll be one long, nice, beautiful tree tunnel. Video's been nice and smooth and no blurry effects. There'll probably be one or two, but hopefully it won't be too bad. Bye bye, Mr. Post Orifice van. Looks like this bus is going all the way to Helston. So I'm going to hang back a little bit and not swallow all those lovely diesel fumes. Quick 3-second look what's on the radio. Advertisements. Right, go on, do me. Tell me what I'm doing. Aw. Oh, he did the van. I feel left out now. And yes, I heard myself say, do me. Yes, I didn't mean, radar me. God, the amount of sunken drains along here. I don't know if you can see it on the video. The car's just lurching to the left all the time because the drains have sunk on the side of the road. During summertime, every Wednesday they hold a car boot here. It's I don't know what you call it in America or anywhere else. I don't know, buy and sell. It's where people just set up stalls and sell off on unwanted items. They do it on the right there in the cricket ground. But yeah. I actually think it was in there today. And we're following Campy. Wow, look at that. He was going a fair click too. Honestly, if I had a car, I was just picturing it in my mind. If I had a car like that, I'd get a fake head made, like a helmet, like Noddy's head, and I'd dress up like Noddy. I'd get a few looks, wouldn't it? Sorry about the fingers, just checking the back of my phone for a temperature. This is, well, Newtown, but down to the right is about a mile away is Grey Sands. I used to live there as well. It's a nice place. It's right on the coast. Leaving Newtown, onward. Seeing as the weather has made me out a complete and utter liar, I hope you're having this kind of weather wherever you are. But I swear at some point we're going to have a thunderstorm. Looking at the clouds in the distance. Going to get a bit hedgy now, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause it and then I'm going to pick up again in Helston. So I'll see you in a minute, guys. Won't be long. Well, for you it'll be instantaneous.